Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today we'll be talking about Stiebel Eltron's tankless water heater. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove all this here and get ready to install my fuse disconnect. I will also be installing conduit pipe as well. The reason why I don't have this in conduit pipe, I know some of you said, oh, you're supposed to have it. I know, but during the time that I installed this was during COVID, and I just couldn't get my hands on the stuff. No one had it, and it was like a 3-week wait online to get the stuff in. And I know no one's down here in the basement but other than me, so I just went ahead and just wired it like so. But I do have conduit pipe this time. After 1 full year of use, my tankless water heater just went completely dead on me. I contacted the support team of Stiebel Eltron and they were fantastic. 100% 2 thumbs up. They were amazing. I've heard stories that their support team was good, but it's a different feeling when you actually deal with them and you get exactly what you were hoping to get in return. So after about 15-20 minutes going back and forth, trying to figure out what happened, where did it go wrong, we honestly believe that my unit must have received some type of surge that just killed the unit. But before that, the unit was working perfect for the entire year. Well, over a year. And I mean, we've saved so much money from having this unit here. Because I don't know if you want to see my first video of when I installed the entire setup of this tankless water heater. The way our water used to heat up was the big boy. This is the unit that used to heat up our hot water in the house. But it gotten very expensive because this was oil. It was cheaper to go electric than to continue paying the outrageous expensive prices of oil. Within 2 days, I already received my new tankless water heater. If you are thinking about getting a tankless water heater, this company's fantastic. The support team is one of the biggest benefits of purchasing their unit. So I won't bore you of me disconnecting everything. I have a full video on how to hook up this tankless water heater, and I have another video on the disconnect boxes. I also have another video that's separate just on the filters as well. I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom of all those videos that I've done on this unit. Let's open up our new unit here. In the box, it brings a manual that has all their different type of Tempra units. Also in the box, it brings this bottle here. I gotta look into what this is. It's probably you can send in your water sample for testing. Interesting. Yes, so a part of their warranty, they want you to send in a water sample and answer a few questions. Okay, it's been a couple of days now. I had to take a break. My throat, I just could barely even speak, but I'm feeling a little bit better now, so I can get back to this video. We have the unit off the wall now, and the disconnects are off the wall, but I ran into a little issue. You would think just to remove the old one, put the new one on the wall, everything's gonna be, you know, easy peasy. Well, it wasn't. Sometimes the craziest things happen to me. This inner and outer threaded coupling here belongs to my tankless water heater valves that I installed. Goes here like so, and then this one screws in. And this is the end piece to the tankless water heater. For the life of me, I do not know why I could not get this out. I had to chew it all up there. The way I was able to separate the two was I had to pull out my big 3-foot monkey wrench while holding this one down with a 2-foot monkey wrench, while trying my best to make sure not to damage this one, because this one is the one I need to reuse. You would have thought I put some type of adhesive, but I didn't. So sometimes you gotta just expect the unexpected. So let me get these on the new unit. I'm going to put just a little bit of this no spill pipe dope on the outer, but just a little bit. You don't want this pipe dope getting in here and getting in here at all. So don't get carried away with this. Now we're just going to spread that. And just make sure you didn't get none on there. We're good. We're good. Okay, once you get the unit up, what you're going to do, make sure you line these up correctly. You don't need to put Teflon here. You want to hand tighten first. Just make sure you don't cross thread. Once you have them nice and hand tight, then you can go ahead and tighten these. You just leave them a little loose. By leaving them loose in the beginning, it just helps you tighten the valves better. Just gives you that little play of up and down just to get your valve in and out. Okay, so right now I'm just going to check for leaks. So right now the house is being heated up with oil, and this is the shut-off valve, so we're going to cut that off for now. We have our cold water coming in, going into our unit. Then we're going to turn on this valve slowly. Okay, our filter's filled, no leaks, water's going in the system. Now this will release the water to go in our filter, in our unit, go in, and to feed the house. But right now our unit is off, so we won't receive hot water. I'm just checking for leaks. Let's turn it on all the way. Just show you the filter I took out. This is why it's important to put filters, catch all the sediment. I have a full video on the filters as well. So we're just checking for leaks. No leaks at the filter. We're good up to here. Now we're going to open this valve as well. So open it up slowly. Open this one up slowly. Okay. So we look good. No leaks. No leaks. And our hot water should be cold water because the unit's off right now. Let's just let some of the air out of the lines. Okay, so all the air is out of the line. So what I'm going to do is cut it off from here. Cut it off from here. Put our valve on the on position. That's heating the water from the oil system. I do have a diagram on how this is all set up, which explains the whole bypassing of one heating source to the other heating source, which is on my full video of the tankless water heater from start to finish. So let's just close up our unit for now until we're ready for it. Right now I'm going to put my straight fitting conduit in. Almost done with the disconnect. Have it wired in. Make sure your white is labeled as a hot. Okay, we are done here. Everything's connected. Everything's working the way it should be. I have it set to 110. I have my new fuse disconnects. I am doing a video separate just on these fuse connects and why I swapped out the old ones that were non-fuse to fuse disconnects. So I'll explain that all in that video. Perhaps this video will be out before the video you're watching now on the return process of my tankless water heater. Now let's talk about the return process. They do ask for a credit card. But don't worry, that's because they just want to make sure you sent them back the old tankless water heater. And they give you 30 days to do that, which is more than enough time. It's also sent out through UPS. And when you receive your new tankless water heater, they also give you the return label in the box as well. And they do send you the water testing form that you need to fill out. On that form, they want you to put your RGA number, which will be on the packing slip. Your email, the year you purchased the unit. You also want to know what type of filter you're using. They want to know, have you descaled the unit? And they want a water sample. So they want you to fill this 3-ounce bottle. They want you to run cold water for 2 minutes before you fill the bottle. And they ask to make sure that it's closed correctly and in their little Ziploc bag that they also provide. But I will be double bagging this just in case. And just to give you a final tour of how everything came out. So this is my setup. So you check my full video from start to finish if you're curious on how I did everything. Well, there you have it. I hope this video helped someone out there. Just wanted to share the experience I had when something went wrong with the tankless water heater. I also want to point out, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me as a happy customer, just making a video out there for everyone. I know my tankless water heater from start to finish got a lot of traction, and also the video I did on the disconnect box, the non-fuse disconnect box. A lot of people watched them and thanked me for those videos, but I do have another video coming out. If it's out already, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom on the difference of the non-fuse and fuse disconnect. 1, they honored their warranty. 2, customer service was amazing. 3, the unit came within 2 days. 4, the return label is ready for you in the box. Also, when I spoke with customer service, I did ask them to let me know what their engineers find that went wrong with the unit, and I'll share it with everyone as soon as I get that information. They didn't give me a timeline, but I'm pretty sure it'll probably take about a month or 2. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped someone out there. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.